Alright, let's learn how to take a screenshot with PrtScn and Paint. Okay, the first step is to look at your keyboard. I can't show you this. Maybe if I had a video camera I could, but if you look at the top of your keyboard along the row where all of the function keys are, the number keys up there at the top, you should see one key labeled PrtScn, which stands for PrtScn. If you tap that, like I just did, I pressed PrtScn, nothing happens. But that's not true. Something magic happens in the background. It should have copied an image of my screen to the Windows clipboard. Now I'm going to open up Paint. And then I should be able to paste the image that was captured. There it is. Now I can select a portion of the image, because this is the only part I want. I'm going to crop it, and then I can go to File and Save As to save it. And that's all there is to taking a screenshot with Paint and PrtScn.